Teespring not only allows you to upload your own designs to the platform, but they also provide you with the capability to create new designs using the Teespring Designer right on their website. Earlier in the course, you should have either created or purchased a t-shirt design. In this lecture, we will go over the process to add your designs to Teespring and also how you can create and upload new designs right on the Teespring website. In order to sell your products on the Teespring platform, you need to create a Teespring campaign. After you upload or create your design, simply select the products you wish to sell your design on, such as t-shirts or mugs, add your title and description, select the price you want to set for your products, and launch your campaign. In order to improve your search engine rankings, you will need to add good relevant keywords to your product listing title and description. Make sure you have your keyword list that you created earlier in the course for your design. So let's head over to the Teespring website and go over the process to launch your first product campaign. You should have already signed up for your Teespring account, edited your settings, and added conversion tracking. So you should now be ready to upload your first design to Teespring. Look at the top right of the page and click on Start Designing. The first step is going to be to select your canvas. Teespring offers multiple products that you can add your designs to. You can add your designs to canvas prints, beach towels, iPhone cases, wall tapestries, posters, flags, indoor pillows, stickers, tote bags, mugs, and of course, t-shirts and apparel. So since this course is about starting your t-shirt business, let's go down and click the Start with This button under Apparel. This should open up the Teespring Product Designer. Here is where you can do all the designs and edits for your designs before you launch your product campaigns. Not only can you upload your designs you've already created, but you can also easily create new designs. So before we upload the design we created earlier in the course, let's go over the process to create a new design on Teespring. Halloween is coming up pretty soon, so I think I'm gonna make a Halloween design as an example. So let's start in the text box on the left and enter the text for our design. I'm gonna put in Happy Halloween. Under the text field, you can also select the font you want to use. You can easily reposition any text or image that you use on your design by dragging it anywhere inside the rectangle design area. Under your fonts, you can also choose to add an outline to your text as well. In order to change the color of your font or your text outline, simply select the color you wish to use beside the drop-down menu. Once you've finished editing your text, you can now add artwork to your design. If you click on the Art tab, then click on Browse Artwork, you'll see that Teespring provides you with tons of designs that you can use for your image. To search for images, simply go to the search box and type in whatever you're looking for. I think I'm going to use a pumpkin. Let's click this first design and see how it looks on my shirt. Just like with the text, go ahead and move the image around inside the design area until you get it in the spot you want it. You can also change the color of your image by clicking the Art Color drop-down menu on the box on the left. If you want to add an outline, simply select the one you want to use. So there's a basic overview of how you can create your own designs using the Teespring platform. Now let's go over how to upload previous designs that we've already created. Let's remove these text and images by clicking the trash can at the bottom left, and go ahead and go back over to the Art tab in the box on the left. Instead of selecting to browse artwork, this time we're going to select Upload Your Own. You should then see a message making sure that you have the rights to upload your image. Go ahead and click here to upload. Now you want to find the folder where you have all your completed designs and open up the design you wish to use. It may take a few moments for your design to upload depending on the file size and your internet connection speed. So here's one of the designs that I made using GIMP. I used the Merch by Amazon t-shirt template, and you can see here that it works excellent for Teespring as well. If you need to adjust your image, simply click the image and drag it anywhere inside your design box. In order to see how your t-shirt design will look on various different colors, simply hover your mouse over each color in the box on the right. You want to make sure the colors match well together, so don't use a white shirt for a white design. In the box on the far right under Style and Design, You can click the drop-down menu to select a new product to add your design to. If I click on long sleeve tees, you'll see the image in the center change as well to show a long sleeve shirt with my image on the front. But since this course is focusing on starting a t-shirt business, let's change it back to basic tees. They also have various different t-shirt styles you can choose from the Hanes tagless tee to the premium tee, and then the next level tee. Depending on which shirt you decide to use, you'll see the production cost change at the bottom right. I'm gonna just start with the cheapest tee, which is the Hanes tagless tee. Once you're satisfied with the way everything looks and your production cost, go ahead and click on Sell This at the bottom right. Here's where you can view your profit estimator, and you can select the price you want to charge for your product. So according to the profit estimator, if I sold 50 shirts for $21.99, I would make an estimated profit of $588. If you scroll down to apparel options, you can change the price of your t-shirt, or you can add other styles as well. $21.99 seems a little high for my t-shirt, so I think I'm gonna bring it down to around $19.99. Once I update my price, you'll see the profit estimator change as well. It now says that I'll make around $488 if I sell 50 shirts for $19.99. You can also add up to 5 different colors you wish to select for your t-shirt. Use the color selection boxes under apparel options. Once you select the colors you wish to use, you can now add additional styles as well. Teespring allows you to upload 14 more apparel options to this design. Since it may be a little chilly during Halloween, I'm going to select hoodies and sweatshirts. Looks like I have 4 different variations to choose from here, so I'll just select the first one. So here's what my design will look like on a hoodie. I think it actually looks pretty good. So once you've decided on your prices and all the products you wish to sell, scroll down to the bottom and click on Next. So hopefully you already have the keyword list that we created earlier in the course. Here we're going to add the keywords to our title and our product description. Your campaign title should be around 40 characters or less, and your description is recommended to be around 300 or so words. Make sure both your title and descriptions are well written with relevant keywords and provides content that is relevant to your design. After you've completed writing your title and description, you can now choose a category which helps your buyers find your campaign. If you click the drop-down menu for the main category, you'll see around 7 different categories to choose from. I'm going to select apparel. Next, you also want to select a subcategory for your design. Scroll through all the different categories and choose the one that best fits your design. I think I'm going to select funny. After you select your category, you can now select your campaign length. After the end of each campaign, US orders typically arrive in 10 to 14 days. You can select to have your campaign always available, run for 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, and so on all the way up to 21 days. After you select your campaign length, you can now choose the URL for your campaign. Make sure your URL is easy to remember and includes relevant keywords. Once you're happy with your URL, go ahead and go down to the bottom and click on Launch. And congratulations! You've just launched your first Teespring product campaign. So here's my product listing for my new design. You can see a large image of my design on the t-shirt, and you can see my title and description on the right hand side. If customers hover their mouse over the image, they can zoom in and get an even larger view of the design. If you decided to also add an image to the back of your shirt, simply click the little image on the left and you can see the back of the shirt as well. Under available products, you can see that I have both my t-shirt and my hoodie available for sale. The t-shirt is priced at $19.99 and the hoodie is priced at $38.99. If I select the hoodie, you'll see my image on the hoodie come up on the image on the left. Teespring also shows a countdown timer right under the Buy It Now button to add a sense of urgency. Under shipping info, you can see that all the orders are printed and shipped once the time expires. Products typically arrive to customers between 9 and 12 business days after the time expires. Shipping costs start at $3.99 for the first item and $2 for each additional item. And at the very bottom, you can also see your campaign ID, which you can share with customers to help them find your campaign. So that's it for creating your first Teespring campaign. I'll see you in the next lecture.